Hello, hello. Good morning. Am I live? Am I live? What? Oh, there we go. I couldn't see chat there for a second. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. SPVC, good morning. Artie Trading, Namak, NP, Pine Tree Trader. What do you think about the E-Man new video? Yeah, we've talked about it. Basically, just another Top Step affiliate trying to throw shade. I mean, some of his points about the Discord mods, and I think that's a fair shot at Apex. But the other stuff, him trying to take shots at trades by Matt and zero proof and just speculation, making stuff up. I lost a lot of respect for a high man. I mean, he's basically just a bad look if you ask me. Good morning, anyone. John, good morning. Yeah, that's the first question of the day. What a rip lower here. Jeez. What a move. What a move. From the 270s, and we went down to the 900s. Quite a sell-off. Yeah, I know, Kid Poker. It's not even worth talking about her at this point. It's just honestly kind of sad. Yeah, exactly, trading with Boris. That's what I mean by... So in order for E-Man to make his point, or I-Man to make his point, he goes back years ago to show how terrible trades by Matt was trading. And then that somehow doesn't prove that what he's doing now isn't legit. Like, he trades live. He shows his accounts at the end of the day. Like, he obviously doesn't care about actually the truth. He just wants to portray things in a certain light. So, which is fine if that's your agenda as a YouTube channel, but when you have a YouTube channel that's based off of exposing people, then your credibility gets a pretty bad hit, in my opinion, when you're just making completely unbiased claims and zero proof. Hey, good morning. Good morning. But anyway, let's not talk about that right away. Lima, good morning. Trading with Boris, good morning. Sin City Futures, UCLA, Ace Undercover. Payment under review. Wait, payment under review, it's the 26th. Yeah, I even put a message on E-Man's, like, I messaged and I chatted on that video, and guess what? He deleted my chat, or he deleted my message. And it wasn't even anything that bad. I was just basically pointing out that what he's saying, he doesn't have any proof. Like, I was asking for evidence and proof, or if he just cares about speculation. And if, and I also then questioned, I said, it's pretty shameless that you then, plug your Top Step affiliate at the end of the video, and then he deleted my comment. That's all I need to know. No, not proof that trades by Matt was a bad trader back in the day. No, that's not what I'm talking. I'm talking about evidence, because he was speculating. He was insinuating that the money that trades by Matt is making right now isn't valid. And he was like insinuating that somehow, it's all just, if it's fake with zero evidence. Like, he was trying to show that because trades by Matt was bad years ago, it's impossible for him to improve and to be trading in this way now. And like, that's my point. Like, if he actually cared about the truth, he would have researched and looked at the current trades, look at his account balances from day to day, look at his live trades from day to day, and track his history. And you can easily see that the trades that Matt is doing now, the payouts that Matt is getting right now, is legit. Okay? Like, and that's what matters. So that's the issue I had with it, is because he's trying to downplay that trades by Matt is legit. He's trying to make people believe that what he's doing isn't legit. That's the issue. Hey, Soul Search Gurus, good morning, good morning. The fun to trading is a video game to me. Not a terrible take. Not a terrible take. Bet, you know, that's what I always say. People need to grow their YouTube channels. And I think what E-Man has discovered is going after people, what is kind of the hot item at the moment, which right now, you know, it's Apex. So that's the video he's going to make, and he's going to prove, and then he's, you know, the whole, he's affiliated with Top Step. Yeah, sorry, I missed the clock. The clock should be going now. Yeah, exactly. Enough of that. Let's focus on the day. But, man, we had a crazy sell-off here. Oh, crazy, man. Good morning, Kid Poker. Let's, the clock. Oh, yeah, I got the clock up now. Yeah, exactly, Trader J. Well, we're going to, it's turning, it's looking like it's going to be a pretty volatile day. We do not have a lot of wiggle room on this account, so it is what it is. We're going to take trades. I'm going to stay with the same size for now. I don't want to keep babying this account. Either we're going to have a good day, or probably, I mean, if we lose this account, so be it. Also, great news. I did pass 150K account. So passed it on this move lower right here. Send it to the Clue Factory. That's right. Now, PA Lives Matter. So we need a t-shirt that says PA Lives Matter. On the back of the shirt, it'll say Eval Lives Don't Matter. But we shall wait. Hey, good morning, Neo. How we doing? Cat's Amazing Books, good morning. UCLA, good morning. Garrett, good morning. Let's get it. Today, last day of streaming for the week. I'm kind of excited. Tomorrow morning, we're actually, we're going out west with the Amtrak train, because a lot of my close relatives are Amish, so they can't fly. So we decided, hey, we're going to go out with them with the Amtrak train. So that'll be interesting. But then we're going to be flying back home. I told them I'll go out with the Amtrak train on the way out just for the experience, but I'm flying back home. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. We leave tomorrow. Like, we have to leave for for the train station in Cleveland by like midnight tonight. The train leaves at 3 a.m. in the morning. How many contracts to pass, Cat's Amazing Books? 15. Yeah, we just went 15 contracts, and I just let her ride. I just let her ride. Anymore, that's how I pass evals. It's nothing pretty. Usually I wait to pass evals until a news event, but we don't even have a news event lately. Tell cousin Jethro I need a new trading desk. I will. I can hook you up, Dylan. I got contacts for a lot of very if you want a custom desk, I got you. I definitely have sources. Is tomorrow news? Oh, maybe it was tomorrow, but I won't be here. I will be on the train. So we leave tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. from Cleveland, and then we arrive in Chicago. Hey, yeah, let me know, Dylan. I can hook you up for sure. If you know what you need, I got a custom. He will make custom desks for sure. Amish furniture. Yep. I mean, we got Amish furniture shops. I probably can list 20 of them. I probably have 20 of them in the area. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee Trader. Yeah, I'm going to miss streaming. I will stream. Right now, the plan is to stream Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday next week. And not sure yet going on more than that, but we'll see. The payments don't work. Oh, Mr. Pushup, man, I'm sorry. Is there issues? Uh-oh. Is my internet bad? Oh, never mind. Whew. I thought I was losing my internet connection there for a second. I received this email from FastTrackTrading.net. I'm sorry, but people that are using FastTrack Trading, I'm actually very disappointed to see some people promoting FastTrack Trading. Like, come on, man. Maybe they, trying out prop firms that are just starting up and very new, especially if they're doing a different model, like, you're asking for trouble. But, I mean, maybe it works. I hope it does, but I don't know, man. So I'll be on the train. We arrive at our destination Friday night at 10 o'clock. So basically 2 days we'll be on the track. Yeah, John. But you know what? One thing I've noticed as well. So I watch other YouTubers as well, and it's the same people keep going into different chats and promoting FastTrack Trading. Guarantee you they're paid or whatever from FastTrack, and they're trying to spread the word through other people's chat. Really annoys me. Yeah, you don't know about the Amtrak trains. I mean, that's what I mean. I'm not saying I'm a huge fan of Amtrak, but we decided, hey, we're going to go Like, it's kind of a family event, and the family, everyone wanted us to go with Amtrak, so that's what we're doing. We're flying back. I'm kind of, my expectations for the train ride out there is pretty low. Pretty low. And we don't have a sleeper car either, so we're just going to have to try and find a way to sleep like on the regular train. I don't know. I don't know, man. It'll be an interesting trip, that's for sure. It'll be a good experience though. It'll be a good experience for the kids. Yeah, Amtrak in Chicago is gross. That's a good way to put it. We went on the Amtrak train when I was probably 12 or 13 years old. I do remember a little bit of it, not a whole lot, but I was on there for a little bit. Grab a seat in the dining car. Yep. Activating 8 a.m., 9 a.m., still waiting for the count to show up. Okay, interesting. I mean, I did see that the account creation is lagging a little bit again. Seems like if you want to buy accounts for the next day, like the morning, you should probably do it in the evening before, the way the account creations have been very slow. Oh, and you can't even pay for anything right now? Oh, I see. Yeah, sounds like they got some issues. Let me try it. Let me try, see what I get. What's the problem? What does it say? Might as well buy another 150K. Eval. Let's see if we can pass it. Okay, your renewal went through. I see. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader. I wish they had high speed rail here. I do too. I would definitely do. I remember the first time I went on Amtrak, I was pretty disappointed by how slow the train went. I thought it was way too slow. I can log in, no problem. I'm trying to buy an eval right now just to see if it works. Yeah, it's got to be some issues on their end. Meanwhile, the market is just, yeah, I get an error. It says an internal error happened in the script. Huh. Well, folks, I guess we won't buy a 150K eval. Feels bad. Hey, this sounds, I wonder if I don't really see anything right now. All right. Well, we have broken above. Do we have news at 10? Did someone say we have news at 10? Yeah, George, and I agree. I could not agree more. As much money as Apex makes, they need to, I don't know. I mean, they have so many users, but they need to do something. Things are, the last couple of months, the rhythmic issues, and just, it's definitely not been a great couple months for Apex, that's for sure. They actually, I think that's also why they're not rolling out the new rules. From what I've heard, they're not rolling out the new rules. Just the rhythmic issues and all that stuff needs to be fixed first. And I really hope they don't do a 90% sale for July 4th. I really hope they don't, because it's just going to cause more issues. All right, right here at VWAP. Will she keep going? Let's see. See if we push through this. Man, this thing is just straight up ripping. Wow, wow, wow. Market only goes up. I've heard that before. This $40 eval thing was going to break the system. It might. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna start buying my evals the night before. Feels bad. Uh. Oh my gosh, man! This whole drama with Dr. Disrespect. Yay, 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 yay. Feels bad. I mean, that is just not cool, man. Nvidia $1 million by end of 2025. What happened to Dr. Disrespect? He was texting with an underage. He was texting with a minor, and we were speculating about it yesterday on what is true and what isn't, and Dr. Disrespect actually came out and admitted to what, basically confirmed that, yes, this is what happened. It's going to be interesting. Dr. Disrespect, he might just retire. Or I don't see I don't see how he comes back. No one's going to sponsor him. But he didn't know the age, John. See, that's why I'm not sure. Like, I was looking and trying to see why would he not confirm that. So in the statement that he put out, they didn't confirm if it was under, like, if he knew or not. He didn't mention that, which I don't know. It was whispers on X. Okay, maybe I missed it, but I feel like there's probably more. I'm going to read between the lines and say what, what Doc shared was probably not the worst of it. Okay. So the fact, he's married, has kids, 30 plus years old. I don't know. Yeah. Did he know or not? But it's not a good look either way you spin it. It is not a good look at all. I mean, yeah, Twitch, I don't know what culpability they have in everything, but hey, the market's going higher and it keeps going higher. Unbelievable. Was this just part of the plan? Just take out the 900s and now we're all the way back up to the 20,000s. There you go. 100-point move. Just like that. Like it's easy. The daily chart is looking like this. It definitely got me, we got to be probably looking at trying to go. Now I'm just scared these big moves lower. I don't want to get trapped again. Like I got trapped yesterday. I got trapped twice. Oh, the resets worked? Interesting. Okay, getting our first pullback here. Oh yeah, he had an NDA, I'm sure. I'm sure he did. Now it's going to be interesting. Are we just going to, I don't know. I'm going to be scared to buy the dip here. All right, we have news in 5 minutes. All right. Yep, we're going to go. Looks like we might pull back. Continue to pull back a little bit more here. So I'm just chilling. You can't even log in, Kid Poker? Whatever. I could log in, but that's about it. Had a requested 2K payout on June 15th, still pending and waiting 11 days now. Has this ever happened to anybody? Yeah, it's not that unusual, Cat's Amazing Books. They basically have until, I don't know, the 30th to send out your payment, which would mean that by the 30th, you will either be, approved or denied and then paid out that same day. Again, the error. Wait, what are we talking about, Dylan? GDP. You guys think tomorrow's news will move the market? You guys think tomorrow's news will move the market quite a bit? Like enough that you could pass a 150K account asking for a friend? I'm going to be on the train, but maybe I have enough service that I can use the Rhythmic. I can trade with Rhythmic. Kid, what? My new name is disrespected by the market. All right, now we're pulling back again. Wait, is the NBA draft tonight? I think it is. Really curious if Bronny. Really curious if Bronny's going to get drafted. Kid Poke. Wait, Dylan, I'm confused too. Type in Dr. Disrespect, then your username. TBM on chat tilt. Yeah, I don't blame him. I can only imagine why. I'd be pretty. I'd be pretty upset. Hey, I have a payout from the 15th waiting too, but I received some other payouts. Let's go. Okay, so the first pick is. Wait, Dylan, do you think he's going to go to the Mavs or Sun? Are you saying the second round? Some people are speculating if he's even going to get drafted. Hey, nice, Trader J. Okay, second round. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think he will get drafted. Honestly, I kind of feel bad for Bronny because, I mean, I don't feel bad for him, but he really isn't, I mean, he really's got a rough road ahead of him because, you know, you can't fill those shoes. You really can't. All right, man. Okay, 10 o'clock news did not really do that much. But it looks like this thing is going to want to keep going, huh? Interesting. All right, we need to see this thing rip above the 20,000s. We need to get above the 20,000s. Let's make a wager. Okay, Dylan. Let's see. I will bet you. No, I don't even know. Yeah, news didn't do much. Another news incoming in 30 minutes. I don't think it's going to move the market any. It's pretty low. Markets don't care. Man, I might. This is where it's risky trading this because. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Right here, the 981 right here. This would have been a decent entry here. I was pretty close to pulling the trigger. But we got to get above the 20,000s and hold it. Gotta move, gotta rip, gotta go. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. Good morning. How we doing? Where can I put my payout information on Apex? I cannot find any menu point for that, only the help site. Oh, you mean the payout information? You mean for your like your bank information and stuff, already trading? You go to Apex and then you hang on, let me just it looks like a help page, but you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom. I mean, read through the help page. It's going to show you exactly how to do it. But yeah, if you click on the payout method, then it's going to take you to it says help center, and then you can read down through it, and then you can click on payout method at the bottom is where you set it up. It's also where you can change your payout method if you need to. Okay, here we are, the 20,000s. Let's want to see this thing rip through this. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Now we just got to keep going. uh, this is where it's like we have volume, we got momentum. Like I'm really struggle with. Feel like just jumping in here on the momentum. Yeah, I want to do it. I want to do it, but as soon as I do it, we're gonna pull back a little bit, and then Mr. Wall Street lost his accounts. Are you serious? Are you serious? He lost his accounts. Oh my gosh, that's unbelievable. In change payout method here, this comes to payout method, but only to select national or international. I guess I'm not sure already trading. I gotta look into that a little bit more. It's been so long since I set it up. I mean, yeah, I mean it can happen. It can happen. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised at all. I mean, I hope it isn't true, but I wouldn't be surprised at all if that E-Man video put Matt on tilt. And I don't know, but man, that is unfortunate. Feels bad. Feel bad for him, but he'll be all right. He'll be all right. He had an insane run. It's the old tilt sessions that always gets us. Yeah, everything seems to be the same. I don't know. Hang on 1 minute. Oh, the wife needs my signatures. Oh, that would have been a fail. And we're back. Oh, see if I would have jumped in on that momentum, now look where we'd be at. That's why I don't do it. Yeah, I saw that, Kid Poker. You're famous now. You're now famous. Yeah, exactly. Hard hat trading. It's going to bring out all the haters. It's going to bring out all the haters, but you know what? He did great. He took out over 300,000 in payouts. He had the PAs for 85 days. Every single one of us would kill to have done that. It sucks how it ended, but he'll be all right. He'll be all right. I wonder when it happened. It probably happened yesterday, obviously off stream. He took out 300. Yeah, trades by Matt. Yep. That's right, John. That's same as me. I don't feel like, I mean, I lose money and make money off stream too, so it definitely happens. Or to me, the key is being transparent. Like that's why I feel like being transparent with your account balances. That's why that's so important. Because I don't know, it just shows that you can still be transparent and trade off stream. But if you're never showing your account balances or anything, then things get pretty weird, in my opinion. Yeah, yeah, we heard, Dan. Sorry to hear, man. Like I said, he'll be all right. He'll be all right. Just gotta restart, I guess. But man, oh man, I wonder what was his account balance at. I mean, if we look at yesterday's session, um, Cody, what are you doing? Hi, Cody. How we doing? Are you hunting something? Oh boy, did you get him? No, I'm gonna get you. And we're back. Sorry about that. All right. What are we doing, market? Yeah, I was trying to find, like, it could have easily been that the accounts were lost and this move lower. Or, I mean, we had a pretty big move yesterday, so. Oh, it does feel bad, man. But you know what? That's part of trading. We all go through it. We all have our challenges. Sharouz, what is tilt referring to? Tilt is when you have an out of body experience. I always feel like when you go on tilt, you have like this out of body experience and you do things you wouldn't normally do, as in just holding a losing trade and just hoping that things go better, oversizing, over leveraging. There's a lot of ways that you can go on tilt. You can kick your dog. Basically, you get mad. You get mad and then you lose all functions. You lose all bodily functions, you know? I'm surprised people don't know what that is, but that's pretty straightforward. I have been there. Actually, yeah. Uh, all right, we're just hanging out up here at the 2000, at the 20,000 level. Yeah, I was on tilt this morning, actually, for real. I got up early and I mean, I'll share it in the recap, but one of my 250K accounts, the one that had very little drawdown left, but I had a really good day on that account yesterday. So I had like $2,600 of drawdown left. And yeah, this morning I was a little bit on tilt, and that account got torched. I mean, just lit it up on fire. And so I had to take, that's actually why I was a little bit late on streaming. I was just taking a moment to gather my thoughts, make sure I'm fit to keep trading. I was pretty upset. So unfortunate. You know what I've discovered? What I've discovered is you can, 250K accounts are nice, okay? But you can blow 250K accounts as well. It's definitely possible. It's when your ego takes control and tries to protect itself from accepting reality. That's also a good way to describe a co-end trades. 95% of respondents in a losing trade have said they were optimistic that it was going to go green. Exactly, Matty Matt. That's very true. When we are in a red trade, a lot of times, that's why for me, like, I know some people can trade with a mental stop loss. Like, I could never do that. I could never do that, because the times I've tried to trade with a mental stop loss, here's what happens. Okay. Here is what happens. Oh, wow. There we go. We broke above the 20,000s. See if we keep going. But here's what happens. Sorry, I got distracted. But if I enter without a stop loss, my brain will just take over, and it's like, oh no, just wait, price will come back, just wait. And then that's what I'll do. I'll just wait. And before you know it, I'm down $2,000. And then when you're down that much, like once you're down a certain amount, like you become what is called pot committed. Okay. Like, or at least that's kind of how I look at it. Now back in the day, I used to play a lot of poker. And there's a time when you have $50,000 in chips in front of you, okay, and then you start betting, and all of a sudden you have 20,000 in chips in the middle. That's when you become pot committed. Like you almost, even if you know that you don't have the best hand, it's like at the point of no return. And that's what happens sometimes in trading, where you become pot committed at a certain point. And once you're pot committed, you have basically thrown up your hands and you've given up, and you will just deal with the results. Whatever happens, happens. So, and that's what happens when I trade with just a limit. Trading Amish have a poker community. No, this was back when I was in my Rumspringedoa. So I'm sure some of you. So when you grow up Amish, once you turn 16 or 18 years old, you kind of go out and you get a little bit wild. All right. So that was in those days. I used to be a pretty avid poker player. I used to make trips to the Pittsburgh casino. I forget what was the name of that casino now, but I actually was, I mean, I don't want to brag, but I was actually a pretty good poker player back in the day. I don't do that anymore. But breaking Amish. If I was on that TV show, no, I was not. I hung out with the guys that were. When I was down in Florida, those guys that were on that TV show, they would, yeah, I wouldn't consider myself friends with them, but we were at the same places a lot of times. But that show was completely fake. They were literally not Amish. Like those guys that were on that show, they were Amish like 10 years ago, but they were being like, they made the show, they made it look like they were at like Amish at the time. Everything was scripted, everything was fake. Every time, the only thing I see is Nutty getting wild, doing donuts on the lawnmower. Hey, we all have our weaknesses. You know what's really funny? The guys that did that show, they didn't even get paid that much. I mean, I don't understand why you would do that. Hey, we are pulling back. Ooh, this was a little bit of a fake out. Trapped the short or trapped the longs right here at the 2020s. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't get trapped in that one. Things could be worse, I guess. But I'm pretty upset at myself. I probably actually shouldn't. I shouldn't be trading. All right, as far as my rules, I actually probably shouldn't trade today, but it's the last day I can trade, so I want to trade, okay, market? Don't punish me. But I did blow an account this morning. I blew it, and the account I blew happened right here. You know, actually, no, it was here. Sorry. I got in right here. I thought, here, look at this. we had nice support right here at the 980 level. I woke up, I came down looking at the charts, and I'm like, oh, wow, this is actually a good setup. I think a good long setup. I went in like right here at the 996 or something. Got very close to my take profit. Didn't fill it. And then just ripped lower. And for some reason, that triggered me. I was very upset. I think the reason I was so upset is when it was getting close to my take profit, I was going to just, okay, let's just get out. But I didn't. And then it just ripped lower. Whoa, what is going on here? Now that was a dump. Okay, we need to wait. We need to just chill out here. Wow, that was a crazy move. Now we're right at the 15-minute opening range high here, so we could see a bounce. But wow. That's a massive rip lower. But anyway, somewhere here I was like, I just kept holding. I usually don't do this, but I kept moving my stop loss this morning, and then all of a sudden I was pot committed. And unfortunate. You were 190 out from passing this morning. You blew it up, John. No, that sucks. Let's go, Kid Poker. Take it slow, man. Take it slow. At Dean Bishop. What? If I'm if I'm in the office mafia, I can neither confirm nor deny. I can neither confirm nor deny. Wow, look at this. Rip higher now. This is crazy. What a pump higher now. Unbelievable. Now, are we going to keep ripping lower? Now, are we going to keep going or not? All right, I really wanted... I'm just not seeing anything. Catching this bounce would have been nice right off of this 15-minute opening range high. That would have been real nice. Good morning, Traders Chick. How we doing? You're very good at losing 1 PA a day, it seems. Mario, did you just admit that you were committed to the pot? I might have. We're gonna have to delete this live stream. Question with people who have the chipmunks crawl into the siding of their homes? For real? Do you trap them or let them go? That's a tough question, John. Tough question, man. once an animal starts messing with the properties, you know, there's got to be some sort of punishment. Maybe spank them for the first go around, you know, just a nice spanking, and then let them go. Maybe that'll cure it. Then if they keep doing it, you'll have to maybe take further measures. I do not condone. We have this. Oh, we have the cutest thing right now. I was mowing my lawn the other day, and it's happened before that rabbits would make a nest right in our lawn, and they'd have the little bunnies in. You know, the way the rabbits have nests, they dig down into the ground, like they dig maybe 4 inches down, and then they cover the hole. They cover it with grass and part of the wool, like from the wool or hair that they pluck from the mama uses it. So it's really hard to see it. It's really hard to see the bunny nest. And I was mowing, and I mowed over it. Thankfully didn't mow the bunnies, because afterward, when I was coming back this way, I noticed it must have like distorted the nest a little bit when I mowed over top of it. So I noticed that something looked odd, and I saw some hair, which I knew was rabbit hair. So I immediately stopped, and I was like, oh, there's got to be a bunny nest somewhere here. And it wasn't that hard to find. I found the bunny nest. All the bunnies were fine. And they were the cutest thing. They were like this big. They had their eyes open already. And there was 5 of them. 5 little bunnies. So covered everything up nice and neat again. And then from then on, I just mow around it. But I've seen the mama bunny. I've seen a couple times now. Then I made the mistake of showing my 3-year-old. I had to show him. So I showed him the bunnies. He just thought it was the best thing ever. But yeah, he went out and he kept wanting to pet them. And they were big enough that they could run around. So they're out of the nest now and just running around through the trees. But that was pretty cool. Oh no, NC, you had a bad ending. That's what I was like, man, that would be horrible if you would. Oh, I don't even want to imagine it. Be like I'd have PTSD for a couple weeks. Yeah, Red Clay Trader, I heard. Feels bad. I feel for him. Whatever you do, guys, please don't, like, when someone has a big blow up day like he did, can we all just please be nice? Like, it really kills me when someone has a really bad day and they have the balls to share it. You know, when you can be everything or anything, be kind, you know. We've all been there. We've all blown accounts. Let's not pretend like we haven't done it. Everyone be kind and be nice, and, you know, it happens. It happens. Yeah, I think it was off stream. I don't even know the details, but I think it was scalping with Tom, from what I understood. Yeah, it does. I know. Instead of taking much more, Mario, I know that does hurt my soul a little bit. How much was the bounce like yesterday? How much money was in the accounts yesterday? Does someone know? Hey, Carngill, good to see you. How you doing? Okay, now we're pulling back again. I think he had 9K per account after the payout he took. Okay. Oh, that hurts my soul. I feel bad for him. I kind of feel bad for him at the same time. He'll be fine. He took out over 300,000 already. Dude was killing it. Dude was killing it, and he had one bad day, and regather, and it'll be fine. Can you copy trade all your evals, Red Clay Trader? Yes, you can. The Amish. Did you hear about the Amish flu? There are only two symptoms. First, you get a little hoarse, and then you get a little buggy. Oh, that's good. That's good. I like good. I like good Amish jokes. That's a good one. Very funny. Very funny, Scalping with Tom. That was a good one. I like myself some good Amish jokes. Anytime I think of Amish jokes, anytime that we think about good Amish joking, this is what this is always what I think of. This is always what I think of. Oh dear. This right here. Hang on.
Suck on this, you furry little weirdos!
I'm sorry, but that's too good. Oh man. That's too funny, man. That is too funny. Oh, the first time I saw that, I almost died. I almost died. Oh, that is too funny. Oh, man. Too funny. Stream has gone unhinged. I agree, it did. It's not my fault. Not my fault. Oh, man. I become a reaction channel. 5 years from now, only thing I do is do reaction channels. Oh, I'm in tears. You know what made that video is funny in a very there's a unique story to that video that makes it even more funny for me. So this would have been back when I was working with I don't want to say the company's name, but I was working at this place and the company was based off of in Columbus, and I was working for them, and it was kind of unusual for them to have Amish people working for them. I was one of the only Amish people that was working at this company. Okay. And the owner, and we were going, I forget what we were doing. I think we were going on some kind of getaway. Like we had some kind of work function, and everyone was in the same van. So we were all in the same van traveling. And it was, I'm the only Amish guy here on the bus or on the van. And I could hear like they were laughing about something. And then I was like, what's so funny? And that was back when that video, like the night before is when that episode had aired. So it was like it was still new. And this was back when I was still Amish. And so they were like, well, hey, we don't want to offend you. Like, like they wanted to show me the video, but they were like afraid that I would be offended somehow. And I'm like, what do you mean be offended? They said, well, they want to show me this video because they think it's really funny, but they don't want to offend me. And I'm like, I won't be offended. So they showed me the video and I just about died laughing. Oh man. And they thought it was funny that I thought it was funny. But anyway, that was funny. Do I jump in here? Man, I might. I'm going in. Oh, wow. Did I get a good fill? Hold it. Oh, snap. That was insane fill. You got to rewind the stream to see that one. That was a crazy fill. Crazy. I mean, it dipped down. I got filled. And when I first saw, I was up 14 ticks already. I wish every trade was like that. That was crazy. That is the best feeling, Bapti. I agree. Best feeling ever. When you get in and you look and you're already up 10 ticks, it's like, whoa. Yeah, hang on. Let me go get my leopard. I need to go get my leopard shirt and my sunglasses. Be right back. I'm just kidding. I won't do that. Man, I wish I wouldn't have taken that trade early this morning. I'd be having a decent day. Feels bad. Oh man. Huh. Okay, we're right at the 20,000s again. And there we go. I was so close to trying entering again right there. Hmm. Are we gonna break above the 20,020s here? When I think of Amish people, I think of Randy Quaid's character in The King. Oh yeah, I know what you mean. Would you suggest getting multiple evals at once or gradually accumulate them, Red Clay? I'll tell you how I do it. If I'm buying evals and they're at 80% off, I kind of do, I don't buy a whole lot. If I want to pass some like now, I'll look into it and I'll buy some, but if I'm really looking to, if there's a 90% sale and I look and I want evals, I need evals, that's when I will stock up. Oh wow, look at that pullback. Tempting to just buy at the bottom of this level. See, we keep going lower. Man, getting some nice moves here. Just buying at the bottom of this channel right now seems like a good idea. Is the can you buy accounts again? Hang on, I'm gonna test it. And I want to get a 150K. Hey, eval purchases, or at least mine went through. We got 150K again. Now I don't know how long is it going to take to actually have it show up. I don't know, but at least we can at least buy accounts again. Oh, Matt, did it show up already on your account? Hey, Ponzi, how we doing? Yeah, buy one, pass into PA. I agree, Citizen Zero. I wish back when I was still learning, and I'm still learning, okay? But before I was profitable, I wish I wouldn't have focused on 20 accounts as much. And it would have been better off just focus on a couple PA accounts at a time and not to try to get 20 accounts. That's just not smart. But of course, you know, I thought I could do it. You would love to pass it today? Same. I would love to pass. I passed 150K this morning, and it was on a revenge trade. It was right here. So right here is, no, where was it? 8 o'clock somewhere, right? Yeah, right here. Right here is where I blew one of my 250K accounts. I blew it somewhere here. It was somewhere here. And then I bought 150K out of revenge, and I shorted right somewhere here. It was actually a perfect trade. 15, and we passed it. We passed it. So I'll be turning that into a funded account tomorrow. Yeah, flying highway, I heard. Feels bad. Switch to Trade Evade officially, Citizen Zero. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Especially switching to Trade Evade right now is even a better idea because the $85 fee, the one-time $85 fee for the activation lifetime fee for the 150, 250, and the 300 is the same. That's $85 for Rhythmic and for Trade Evade. So how many contracts I trade, Genwu? I mean, 15. I kind of YOLO it. I guess you could call that. I don't know. But I do. I don't really mess around with evals that much. Either they're going to pass. Now, I will sometimes do it in like 3 or 4 trades, but I don't always just look to pass in one trade. Usually I'll go in pretty heavy, and then if I get to like 4 or 5,000 in profit, I'll take that, and then I'll look to size down to get the remaining 4,500 when I'm trading the 150K. This morning I went on tilt to pass. Yes, I did. I did a revenge trade, and it actually made me feel a little better. It did make me feel better. Big pullback again. We did not make it above the 2020s here. I don't know. Maybe we should look to short. I don't have the nerve, though. This has just been... When in doubt, zoom out. I don't know. Honestly, not a terrible... This thing could dump. It could dump. We made lower, failed to make new highs. I think we're going to test this low again. Yeah, there we go. Testing the 15-minute opening range high again. I don't know. I wish, you know what I wish I need to improve on is I wish I wouldn't be as scared to take shorts. I wish I wouldn't be. Because right here, this was a pretty evident short once we got through the 70s here. I just have such a bad experience when I short the market that I've kind of turned into a perma bull, but not on purpose. I like the old commercial the dad asked the son where he learned to do drugs. Where did you learn to revenge trade? Me? You. I learned it by watching you. Uh-oh. Hey. Yep, say no to revenge trading. I don't mind revenge trading if I'm doing it on an eval. Like, I'll be honest. If I need to revenge trade, sometimes you just need to get it out of your system, but just make sure you do it on an eval. Like I said, I'm going to buy a t-shirt. I'm going to make a t-shirt that says eval lives don't matter. It's kind of a bad promotion, but that's how I feel. That's just how it is. We'll be in a bull market in a couple of weeks. Yeah. Because to me, when I revenge trade on an eval, it's like a win-win situation for me, because if I revenge trade and go on tilt and I trade an eval, then and I blow the account, then I'm actually like, it's a good thing, because then I know that I did the right thing. Like, I'm like, oh man, am I glad that was only an eval? But then if I pass it, then I'm like, oh, okay, now I feel better. You know what I mean? It's kind of a win-win situation. But it can get expensive. I will it can get expensive, so obviously don't do like I do, okay? Be responsible, treat your evals with love and care. Don't abuse those evals. Treat them with love and care. But I don't. I abuse the evals. I absolutely abuse them. No, Carolina. No. Oh, I'm so sorry, Carolina. That sucks. Oh, that hurts. It's better to pass in 1 to 3 days. Yeah, you're right. Listen to Jen. She's right. 100%. I'm not, that's not a joke. That is actually true. Man, I tell you what. You didn't even tell your husband, Carolina. I've been there. I've been there. Some things are just too hard to share. You just need to bury it deep and just, just some things we do not need to talk about. I hear you. I hear you loud and clear. Oh, man, that's too bad, though. What did I just do? Red clay trader. Yeah, I hear you. We all know. It's built in. It's built into us. Nice, Orlando. Taking it slow. That's the spirit. That's the way to do it. Oh, Matt, take 3 hours to get them. Usually one. Yeah, I hear you. Okay, but you're saying that you did get them, Matt. So they did come through. Like, you can trade them. Excuse me. Took 45 minutes before the reset to come through. Okay, I see. Okie dokie. Well, that's good to know. And here we go. We ripped through the 50s. Wow, this thing is gonna retrace. We might test the lows of the day here, the 900s. This is why I need to learn, and I just need to be okay with shorting the market. I miss out on a lot of trades. Down to the 930s. Wow. 930s. We're about to go through the 920s. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, that short right there was the move. That was the move right here. As soon as we got below this 70s, man, oh man, that is... Down we go. We are going to test this 900 level. For sure. The only question is, will we get a bounce off of it or not? Could short this, but hey, good luck, Rat Poker. Today's the day. I saw that Apex has been approving record numbers this pay period. Over 13 million in just the 15th through the 20th so far. And it's likely to get, be even more. I'm going to take a risky trade here. I'm going to play for the double to retest the lows here. Then I might have jumped in too early. I'm going to have my stop like right here. This is kind of a make it or break it trade right here. Now, come on, sell off. Come on. Come on, you kidding me? It's gonna... No, I don't like it. I don't like this at all. Dang it. Stupid V-shaped reversals. Get caught up. This is why I don't short. Right here. Perfect example. That's why I don't short. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Now that actually upsets me. Just go ahead and take me out. Go ahead. No. Oh, kidding me. I just said I don't like shorting. Why did I short? Stupid shorts. Oh, mama. Thing's gonna sell off now. Watch. You can get the top step 100Ks for 59. So did they change? Did they make it so that you can also get the, like, did they make a promotion on the 150Ks? I wonder why they always do the promotion. They don't never do the promotion on the 150Ks. I wonder why. I hate this. Oh. You know what? That was kind of dumb. I should have just, well, whatever. Unbelievable. Oh, also, is it only for Top Step X? And is it only a limited, like a limit code thing or not? I really just need to never short the market because the market only goes higher. I mean, this account is blown. We might as well classify it as blown. I didn't even look at what my drawdown is. I didn't even look. Oh, I guess it is what it is. You like Top Step X? Okay, 100 is today's code for the 100K. Oh, man. What a rip hire. Absolutely insane. I mean, I should just never short. That's just how it is. Hey, good morning, Almighty. How we doing? Yeah, wait till it gets to the top. Yeah, exactly. It has mobile and uses TradingView charts. Yeah, Peter Shep. I mean, I've heard good things. Here's my like concern, and this is not okay. Let me put it this way so people understand things what I'm talking about better. Imagine that. I want you guys to imagine if Apex had their own platform, okay? If Apex had their own platform and the promotions that they run are only valid for that platform, okay? And now imagine that there's issues with the platform and connectivity issues and, you know, orders not closing, et cetera, et cetera. Can you imagine the absolute cluster mess that that would create? That's the only red, like, and I know I don't think that's happened with Top Step yet, but that to me seems like a big liability to have a prop firm have their own platform. To me, that seems like a bad business idea, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, it's stuff they can't control. I'm not even saying it's stuff that they could control because obviously the price is coming through Rhythmic or CQG data. Like, that's where it's coming from. But the problem is, you know, the conspiracy theories and the tinfoil hat people, they don't care. They would just run with it and blame Apex, or they're going to blame Top Step if there's issues, and et cetera, et cetera. That we all know how people don't have critical thinking skills. Oh. I can't get over how much this guy sounds and looks like Goldman. Goldman from Family Guy? Oh, come on. You really gonna do me like that? Come on. That is so not fair. Like, are we can't go there. I'm gonna have to ban you. I'm sorry. The only relevance is that that guy has red hair. I do not look like him. All right, I will stand up for myself. Come on. Yeah, this market's just going higher. You know what, guys? Here's what we're gonna do. It. We're gonna take our last stab at this account. We got $60 of drawdown left. Okay, market wants to go higher. Be my guest. Go for it. We know it's gonna come down 20. We have what? 15 ticks of drawdown left. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. We might as well go out one way. There it is. Wait. Hey, I think you shorted me by a tick. All right, everybody, we need a moment of silence. That does make me sad. That account I have had for 63 days trading and taken 2 payouts. Rest in peace. We're going to have a special ceremony for this account. The viewing hours are going to be tonight between 6 and 8 p.m. And pay your last respects. Ignoring London close volatility. Oh, the 12 o'clock. Wait, no, the London close is 11:30 or 12. You took your tinfoil hat off in honor. Thank you. Giveaway for the funeral. We'll be taking donations to cover funeral expenses. Hey, look at this. This is impressive. You gotta be. This is impressive. Sometimes I impress my own self. But it is a good time to. It might be good to call it a day here. We definitely have not had our best day today. Oh, I never trade well in this kind of market when we have these big volatile moves. And I mean, I thought we would at least go test the 900s here. I was wrong. Dead wrong. But you know what? I would prefer to be wrong like this than have it test just little. Which account will be the new stream account? I will probably use one of the, I'm going to use one of the 250K accounts. We will be using one of the 250K accounts. I think I will do that. So that means we blew 2 accounts today. Yikes. I definitely need to stop trading for the day. Dang it. But we did pass 150K this morning, so we can replace that. But then we're going to be down to 14 accounts. Only 2 accounts, rookie numbers. I'll go buy it myself before the Amtrak trip. I don't know what you're insinuating, John, but oh man. Is it going to be that bad? Dinosaur person, how much I make from fees? 15% commissions. You're wondering if you should try streaming too? I mean, there's one way to find out. Try it and find out. Go for it. Oh, man. We guys are a mess. I kind of was expecting today. I was either this account was, it was on its deathbed. I'm not sad. I'm sad about losing the account just because of how long I've had it. But in all honesty, this account did its dues. This account was, we need to have a celebration. It's one of those accounts where you celebrate because we got 2 payouts from it. It's hung around and it was just time to call it. It was time to, you know, it lived a good life. It lived a good life. What kind is that one that is on? Very funny, Bob Bakerson. You're a really funny guy, okay? Very funny. If you would have ended your comment in LOL, I would have banned you, just so you know. So if you want to rephrase that with an LOL, let's see what happens. Kind of in the mood, you know, I feel like someone should get banned today in honor of losing that account. We should ban someone. I don't think that's too much to ask. We need a clean 20-point move. We've had a couple pretty clean 20-point moves. We had this down move and now the up move. The key is catching it. You could ban me asking how much money you make. That doesn't do it. I need to actually feel good about it. It shall be me, my lord. You were only here for the OG account. Time to unsubscribe. Feels bad. Oh yeah, the Red Rex Gaming. Oh man. All right. Well, man, I didn't. Isn't that something? Look at that. We literally 79. Hang on, let me do the math. 79.25. 3. Are you still not approved, John? Man, I'm sorry. Someone, you know, I guess someone has to be last, right? It's unfortunate. Right now, you have until, basically they have until the 29th. They have until the 29th technically to approve or deny, so. All right, what time is it? 11:30. I need to go, I really need to stop trading for the day, to be honest. Blowing 2 accounts, that's enough for one day. Granted, at least the 2 accounts were the 2 accounts that were in the red and not much drawdown left. The accounts we have left are in good shape for the most part. But guys, I think I'm going to call it here. It's kind of early, but I still need to finish packing. I need to go drop off all of this mail. I need to, and then I have a meeting. I have a meeting at 1 o'clock, and then I have a haircut appointment at 2:30. So, and I was hoping I could play like 9 holes of golf yet before I leave. That is going to be in jeopardy. So, but yeah, I think we're going to sign off here. So I will not be trading. I won't be streaming. I might be trading. If I trade, I'll try to at least do a screenshot of my P&L and post it just to keep everybody up to date on what's going down. But I will be we'll be traveling. We'll be going on a vacation, sort of, visiting family out of state, Montana and Colorado. So I will be streaming from different places throughout the next 2 weeks. And yeah, it should be fun. It'll definitely make a lot of good memories, hopefully. But yeah, thanks everyone. We'll be back. And hope you all have a safe 3 weeks. I hope you all are green, trade well. And remember that, yeah, you got this. You got this. Thanks, everyone. Thank you for the safe travels. So anyway, I'm going to end it here, and we shall be back. I know for sure I'll be streaming next Monday and Tuesday. And I'm just really not sure after that. I'll just keep you guys posted. Have a great day. Have a great week. And we will see you when we see you. Take care and God bless.